Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Low IQ Thief Tries Stealing a Bike, Gets Beat Up by Owner, Then Police. Man, that's a long title. I ain't gonna lie. Uncovered, y'all know better than that, man. Keep it 50 characters or less. That's a tip for you guys that are trying to be YouTubers. You know what I mean? 50 characters or less. But anyway, really 75, but you know, you want to keep it as short as possible. Anyway, all right, I'm going on a little tangent. Let's get to the video.
Who's chasing you?
Today.
Who's chasing you?
Today, on Uncovered, this highly intoxicated suspect tries stealing a stranger's bike, but gets caught and assaulted by the owner before he could get away. When police find him, they weren't expecting things to get this intense.
Boss, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Calm down.
They chasing me.
Who's chasing you? Be careful, there's cars. Watch out, yo, get on the sidewalk.
Oh yeah, that boy.
Stop! He keeps running from us.
Oh, no.
You good? Let me talk to you for a minute. All right, you're injured, okay? All right, start me a rig to. Yeah, we got help coming.
I don't need help. They following me, bro.
We got. No one's gonna harm you. We're protecting you.
Promise?
Promise. Look at that. There we go. Calm down. Just chill. We're right here. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you if we're right here.
You promise?
Promise. I got you. I swear.
They coming, bro.
What are they?
Listen, the owner hit him with some of this. Y'all. You know, we got the hoodie coming too, man. Hold on. They hit him with some of this. You know what I'm saying? We got the hoodie. You know, I gotta plug it in there. You know what I mean? But yo, yeah, he got hit with some act right, boy.
Look like?
I don't know.
They're just coming for you?
I'm scared.
Hey man, we're here. You see me? Yeah, I'm nice, yo. Just chill.
You're not gonna take me?
No. We're
If I
gonna
chill, you gonna...
Yeah. Everything's calm. We're protecting you. You're good. You can't see. Yeah, I'm blocking you. In the car. You blocked me? Yeah.
That boy tweaking, boy.
Ain't nothing happened?
He on some drugs for sure, boy.
Yeah, chill. We just had the conversation. Chill. Right. Sit down for me.
For you? What's your name?
Yeah. Anish.
What's your name?
Anish. I know it's a different name. You never heard it before.
They said that it was coming. They said they're gonna come at 11:59. At 11:59, they're gonna come. When they come, I'm gonna run.
You got time.
Positive?
Yeah, it's 7:41.
Bro, don't lie to me, bro.
It's 7:41. Look.
So you're not gonna judge me for...
Yo, we're protecting you.
Positive?
Yeah, they can't see you because you're behind the car.
I know.
And I'm keeping an eye out for them.
The officers get a call from dispatch confirming that this is the individual who tried stealing the bike.
It looked like the bike matched. There was a white sticker on the left side of the front wheel bar, and his shoes from this where we were looked like they matched too.
He about to get a wake-up call.
He really just left the bike in the middle of the sidewalk and he's walking past. He's walking on one, like they're looking for the van in front of
Positive. Are you positive?
Oh, we can't get over there right now.
Just coming.
Easy.
Chill out. I'm getting right in the ambulance. I turned the light off.
We're gonna put you on the ambulance, okay?
No. Just hold on.
Come here. We're gonna put you on the ambulance, all right? Come on.
Get off me,
Get off me. They coming, bro.
We're good.
Bro, they coming, bro.
Easy.
Get off me, bro.
Easy.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro.
Listen, I'm putting you in handcuffs for our safety, okay?
No, I'm not gonna.
You're not under arrest.
I promise I'll.
No, but you're flailing your arms.
No, bro. Get off me, bro.
Chill.
Get off me.
Chill.
Don't touch me, bro.
Chill.
Yo, Larry, chill.
Bro, get off me, bro.
Larry, you're going to hurt somebody,
I'm not
including
trying to hurt
yourself.
you. I don't want you
Okay.
to cuff
So
me,
then
bro.
give him your hands real quick.
No,
There you
I'll
go.
give you my hand.
All right, no, hold on. He's
Easy,
giving it to
easy,
me.
give the hands.
Larry, chill.
Easy, easy.
Larry, you're giving them to me. Like you said, relax. Relax, Larry. Chill out. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
They're coming, bro. They coming.
Larry, we got it.
Buddy,
Give me the stretcher, please.
no, I don't want to.
All right, Larry, stop.
All right, get off me, bro.
Larry, stop.
Dang, imagine you being the owner of that BMW, man. Your joint getting all dented up, all crazy. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, you come outside, your whole hood got all dents in it. You like, yo, what? Oh my God, you like, yo, what happened? Why is my car all dented up like this? Like, yeah, BMW, not BMW, what is it, Mercedes? It's one of them cars that's out there that they leaning on. You hear the dents? They're like, dun, dun, dun. Like, come on, listen to it.
All right, no, hold on. He's
Easy,
giving it to
easy,
me.
give the hands.
Larry, chill.
Easy.
Listen
Larry,
to the
you're giving them to me.
BMW.
Like you said,
Listen, watch.
relax. Relax, Larry. Chill out. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
They're coming, bro. They coming.
Larry, we got it.
Buddy,
Give me the stretcher, please.
no, I don't want to.
All right, Larry, stop.
All right, get off me, bro.
Larry,
Get
stop.
off me.
Larry, you're gonna break this car.
God.
Stop. Come on, stand
All
up.
right, why he hurting me,
I'm
though?
not. You're back
He's
there. I
hurting
got
me,
your arm back
bro.
here. All right. You're good, brother. You're good, brother.
Yo, get off
You're
me.
good.
Get off me, bro.
Larry, you're fine.
Oh my God. Oh, it's lit now. It's lit.
Get off me, bro.
Fair game
Bring me
now.
the stretcher, please.
Come in. They said come in.
Come on, Larry, get up.
Yeah, stand by.
Larry, come on,
A
get up.
little urgency, guys. Come on. I need you, please.
Come on, can you get up so we can get you to the
They
hospital?
hurt my brain. They said come in. They take the whole sports.
Forward them.
Come in.
My boy BMW got dents in
Get
it.
off me.
Uh-oh.
Get off me.
Larry,
2, 3.
stop.
Yo,
You sure about that?
stop with the
You're not
kicking.
strong enough.
Stop.
You're not strong enough. I'm still here. I'm still here. You know that, right?
Watch where you're kicking.
I'm not kicking that.
You just almost tried to, so
I didn't
relax.
kick. I don't have to kick you. You're a weak nigga. I'm back. You heard me? I'm back.
Stop.
Get off me.
Stop.
Get the off me.
You good?
Get off me.
Stop. Those are officers you talking to. Stop.
Trying to help you, bro.
Y'all don't give a about me.
Yes,
Y'all know what I care about. Wait, I got a lot.
We'd have left you laying in the street if we didn't care.
I got it. Stop.
Can I help you?
Go.
All right, can you go down the block, please?
Stop.
Sir, go down the block.
Stop.
We're good. Go down the block. Thank you.
To the hospital right now.
You okay? What happened?
Headbutted me. That's why I went down. So,
You lost consciousness?
no, I didn't lose consciousness, but like when he headbutted me, I took him
He
down.
did it on purpose or charge him? Okay.
Oh, he got, damn. He hit him with that ooh-wee. Almost took the officer down. Boy, he did take the officer. Damn, boy, like, yo, did you lose consciousness? He like, he really don't want to look weak, you know what I'm saying, in front of the boys. So, it's a man thing. If you a man, you know what it is, so you don't want to look weak in front of the boys. Nah, he ain't. Nah, I ain't almost lose consciousness. Nah. But he did. He headbutted me good, Yeah, boy. He hit him with that. He hit him with that ooh-wee. Like, he go, bow. Officer said, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. And he went down. But, yo, imagine being the owner of this BM or this Mercedes Benz, bro. Yo, they slamming the cuffs on the hood. That thing probably got dents, cuts, all types of scrapes on the hood. Like, I know when he come out, he gonna be tight, bro. He gonna be like, what the heck happened? And no, everybody gonna be gone. Everybody gonna be gone. Police ain't paying for it. Nobody ain't paying for that. Everybody gonna be gone. Area gonna be cleared. It's a wrap.
He's a 1025. Ma'am, back up, please.
Don't talk to her like that, bro. Don't talk to her like that, bro.
We're going to have a 1025 here. under here.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me.
Sir,
We're trying to.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Everybody else.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit.
You're not strong enough. Cause y'all hurting me. Y'all hurting me. Get off me. Get off me then. Get off me then. Get off me then. He's gonna be the one I pop right there. Come right there.
Yeah, you already did it.
You hurting me.
That's why you're under arrest.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Hey, DJ, are you going to transport that body in a second? And everything comes down to you, so bring it back to the hospital?
Tell her. Get off my leg. If y'all act nice, I'll do it.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. Everybody chill the f out.
Off me. Don't touch me. You don't like.
For those of you guys that are police officers that watch, why don't you guys carry leg irons? You know what I mean? Like, maybe not, obviously not on you. You know, you carry your regular handcuffs, but why don't y'all carry a set of leg irons maybe in the trunk, or, you know what I mean? Like, to have it on you for situations like this. I don't understand that.
People, I know. I know.
Guys, I need everybody to back up. He's under arrest now. He's with us. No, you're not. He's under arrest. No.
How? How?
Because you headbutted one of my guys.
I didn't headbutt nobody. Y'all was
So, come on, let's get him out of here, please. Thank you. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Jay, he say check his pockets.
I don't have nothing to stick over. I don't do that. This is tight right here with my arm,
Stop
bro.
moving.
All right.
Stop moving.
Unloosen them.
Stop moving.
Unloosen. Get off me, yo. Get off me. Get off. Why you restraining me? I don't want to hurt none of y'all. You're under arrest. Why? For what?
Because you hurt one of my guys.
How? They weak?
Yeah.
Ain't my fault they
Whatever
weak.
you say.
Bro, my arm hurt. Get off my arm, bro. Get off my arm, bro.
Give me that. I'm gonna make sure this doesn't happen.
Watch his neck, though. Be careful.
He got mental health problems.
I know you want to do that to me.
He ain't gonna get no time or nothing.
You sure? So why are you doing this to me? You don't give a f about me. If I was white, you'd care about me, right? Right? Miller? Right, Miller?
Yeah, actually, just do that.
Y'all weak.
After being treated at the hospital, the suspect was transported to the station where he was charged for resisting arrest and assaulting an officer. Officers also spoke to the owner of the bike, which the suspect tried to steal, but they declined to press charges against the suspect, given he was clearly not in the right state of mind. If you enjoyed this video,
watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.